Today I'm going to show you my apartment tour slash nursery reveal. I guess we'll start from right here. This is like our little closet area. I don't know if I should show you guys. I have a whole bunch of jackets, Elmer's helmet and stuff, like my vacuum and stuff. It's kind of a lot, but we won't worry about that. Okay, and then over here I have like my little mail area. And then when you walk in, it's like a little hallway, and the kitchen's off to the side, obviously. But I have my keys right here, mask, and our little pool passes. Down here, I just keep a little rug for our shoes because I don't really want people to come in with their shoes. But I don't know, where should I start? I guess I'll start in the kitchen area. So I have these little stool chairs. They're pretty great. I thought they matched the kitchen well, so yeah. And then I have my little pampas grass little centerpiece right there. And I have this, okay, so my kitchen theme is cactus theme because I love cactuses. So I have this little cactus bowl, which I have my prenatals and a whole bunch of Tic Tacs because Elmer, his job, got them, so we just have them out. So if you come over, you can take a Tic Tac thing because we don't need all of them. Moving on, I have the sink and whatnot. I love how it's cactus theme because like the little brush cleaners for Joelle's bottles are right here, and the little thing to put them on, so cute. Then we have a little toaster oven because our oven is broken right now because we're not going to talk about that. Over here I have a little calendar which is cactus themed, so cute. And then obviously I have a little cactus, what is this, picture frame. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. Well, we got it as a gift, but I think I seen it at Hobby Lobby. This is our fridge, just have random bills or whatnot on there. And then so I have this cute little cactus rag, you know, for cooking or whatnot. From the baby shower we had a whole bunch of like forks, knives, and spoons left over, so I thought it'd be cute to like put them right there. And then over here I have just random decor, a toaster, paper towels or whatnot. In this I have Joelle's bottles in here, so that's fun. This is our pantry. I'm not going to show you because it's not that cute. This is our laundry room. I'll show you guys what's in here. I have like my little arts and crafts crate, a whole bunch of like things for parties or whatever, like drink things, extra storage, extra sheets, blankets, comforters, whatnot. Obviously our laundry detergent. I put my like lint in here because I'm lazy and I don't want to throw it away. And then have towels. This is where we keep our towels. And yeah, that's what's in here. So if you come over here, this is our living room slash bedroom. We made it into our bedroom because we have Joelle's nursery. We have obviously this couch. I got it from Goodwill, but I put a couch cover to make it look nicer, so we have that. Also, don't mind the wall. It's not painted. I had put wallpaper up and I took it down because I didn't like it and it messed up the wall really bad. So we're in the process of trying to get it painted, but it's kind of expensive, so we're just gonna worry about that later. This is Joelle's little like changing table slash hour dresser, so we have our clothes in here. So yeah, I got this little what is this called, changing pad cover from Target, and then I got the changing pad from Amazon. Then we have like his wipe warmer, his like getting ready stuff like his lotion and cologne and all that. And then we have his newborn diapers. Can't wait till he gets here. I have this little bracelet to keep like bad vibes away for when he gets here. I also have a trash can for his diapers, so that's fun. And then obviously we have a lamp. I got it from Walmart. I painted this desk the same color as the dresser because I thought it would match better, and it does. So yeah, this is where we keep our TV. I put a little laundry basket underneath here for Joelle's clothes whenever I change him. And then look how cute my succulent is. Elmer got it for me for Mother's Day and it's so cute. I love it. I'm trying to keep it alive because I'm not good at keeping stuff alive. So out here is our patio area, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But I have this chair. I got it from, it's kind of ugly right now. I got it from Facebook Market, and it was only $20, so turn up. I think it's so cute. It matches well in here. Obviously, you have like your curtains and whatnot. Got them from Target. This I got from Ross, and we put our maternity pictures in there. So cute. I love how it's white slash like wood vibes, because over on our wall we have this love is patient, love is kind sign, and I think it matches pretty good. We have Joelle's bassinet for when he gets here. This is Elmer's side of the bed. I just have the flowers that we used for the gender reveal, and then a candle warmer and a picture of us. And then down here we have like our laptops and stuff. So that's what's on Elmer's side. This is our bed. I finally got a king size bed. I'm so happy. I got my headboard from Wayfair. I got my sheets from Target, well, my comforter from Target. And yeah, I just love it. This is my side of the bed. Just have a lamp, a little card that Elmer wrote me. How sweet. A little A candle, because my name's Ashley. And then a picture of us. And then up here I have Elmer's soccer plaques or whatever, and I just decorated it with like a little flower. So that's what's on this shelf. And then I got this as a housewarming gift, and I think they got it from Target. So yeah, it's just like gray, white, wood, sage green vibe. So this is our patio area. It's not that special. Honestly, it's not that cute out here. I wish I could decorate it like how I want, but we never really even come out here. I have Christmas lights, but I never turn them on because it's not Christmas anymore and I'm too lazy to take them down. But I got these chairs from Walmart. I got these pillows from Home Goods, and I have a little table stool thing if we like eat out here or something. This is a little rug. I got it off Facebook. So yeah, that's what's out here, nothing special. And that door, it's just storage. We have a whole bunch of stuff in there, so we're not gonna talk about it. Over here, I have this little picture. I plan on putting like Joelle's baby pictures in here, like when he's like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But honestly, I'll probably just, you know, put his birth pictures because I just want this all to be Joelle. Over here, I have this sign that says, "In our home, let love abide and bless those who step inside." We got it as a housewarming gift. Then we have this little cube unit, and I just keep like our pictures and books or whatnot. Down here we have like some games that we play when people come over. I made Elmer this book, so like if people want to come over and see our little love story, they can. Guess we'll start in the bathroom, so I'll show you guys this nursery last. It's so pretty. I love this bathroom. I love the mirror. It's so nice. The lighting's great. I got our little shower curtain from Target. It's so cute. I got these little diamond, what is it? Curtain rod hanger thingies from Walmart. And our bathroom's pretty much like baby stuff already too. So I have his like, oh, by the way, our apartment is like handicapped. They just gave us a handicap one, so we have handicap bathroom. Anyways, it's pretty cool because we can sit down. We have Joelle's little toys in here and this little thing, so like I can pour it on him. So cute. So yeah, that's what's in here. On this thing, I have like my little face cloths in here. Normally I have more, but I need to put them out. I have like my scrunchies, headbands, my earrings, so that's what's in here. I got my little toothbrush and my hand soap dispenser from Target. So cute, love the color. Then I have this little thing that has our Q-tips in there. Got this little sign from Target, little plant from Target, some air freshener for when Elmer uses the bathroom. I'm just kidding. On the back of the door, I put Joelle's towels because I didn't want to get them mixed up with our towels. So yeah, I just have his hooded towels in here. It's super cute. So this is Joelle's room. I'm excited to show you guys. It's like not very nursery vibes, but it works for us. So yeah, I guess I'll just show you. This is his room. And I don't know where to start. I guess I'll start from right here. I have Elmer's little desk area where he plays his game. So that's in here. So that doesn't really make it nursery vibes. But if Joelle wants to come and watch him play, that's fine. His nursery vibes are wood, gray, black, and white, as you can tell. So like, I have this little cactus sign. I got it from Goodwill. So cute. I had to get it for his room. I have this little board that says his name. And then we have this little sign that says life is better with you. And I put all his ultrasound pictures in there. Then we decided to go with the playpen or a pack and play. That's what we call it. And here I just have like his pacifiers and whatnot in here. I have this little elephant, little blanket thing that he can play with in here. And then I have like his teething toys in this one. They're cactus, how cute. We have his stroller and car seat and stuff like that in here. We have to put that in our car, but we haven't done that yet. Then we have this sign that says, this is our happily ever after. And then obviously we have the lights hung up in here. I think it's so cute. It gives it like a whole different vibe. That I have his name spelled out in wood chips. And we have a couch in here. Not ideal, but this is our old couch and we had nowhere to put it. So I was like, okay, we'll just try and make it work into the nursery. And I think it works pretty good. So yeah, that's what's in here. I got my rug. I love the rug. I got it from Ross and I think it looks really cute in here. And I have like a little sign that says, love bears all things, believe all things, hope all things. And Elmer actually got this. This was like the first gift that he ever got me. And so I kept it and we put our maternity pictures in there. And then I got this sign when I first found out I was pregnant. It says, our little miracle. So I put his little ultrasound picture in there. I have a Gemini candle because he's gonna be a Gemini. And just, you know, little knickknacks. I got this as like a gender reveal present. So I put his ultrasound in there. In this basket, I have the little plug-in for my breast pump whenever I use it. And then I have his little due date on this flip calendar. I think it's so cute. In these drawers, I have like my breast pads and like breast stuff in there. I don't know. Obviously my breast pump. And then I have his washcloths and his birth cloths in here. Body wash and stuff like that in there. In this one, I kept our camera equipment because I had nowhere to put it. So yeah, I just have that in there. In this one, I have like his little healthcare stuff. I heard this was really good, so I got this for him. I got this as like a little baby shower gift. And then I can't wait to set this up. It's like a little video monitor. So I'm excited to get that set up. But yeah, that's what's in here. Down here, I have a little massager gun because my back be hurting. We have a little humidifier for him. These are like the baby predictions that we did at the baby shower, and I'm so happy some people filled them out because it was so fun to look back on. These are some more gifts that we got from the baby shower. It's like I can put his handprint and footprint in there. I can't wait to fill this out. It's so cute. It's like the baby's first years. Last but not least, I have his toys in here. So yeah, that's what's in this little cute thing. So I have his closet, well, our closet as well. Just, you know, have this mirror. I got it from Walmart. I have all his diapers that we got from the baby shower. Up here, have all his baby wipes and stuff in here. Got this little baby carrier as well. I have all of my like nicer shirts hung up right here, and then Elmer's nicer stuff right here. I have his little walker thing right here, but I'm not gonna open it yet until, you know, he gets here. I have extra laundry baskets, and the way I do laundry, I kind of just do like colors, whites, and darks. So that's why I have 3. I don't think you need to know that, but whatever. I have my little boppy pillow, our co-sleepers up there, obviously extra hangers. In these baskets, we have like accessories like belts, gloves, hats, and stuff in there. And then we have our socks in here. Down here, we have our hospital bags already packed, ready to go. Over here, we have our pants and shorts and stuff like that. And then this is just all Joelle. So I have all his nicer stuff hung up. I did it from like 3-month-old to 12-month. So yeah, this is all his like jackets and like polo stuff. In this thing I have all of his shoes. This is a little sign that people signed for when they came to the baby shower. We got this little bear. We had went to the bowling alley for Elmer's birthday, and his friends won Joelle a little stuffed animal, so I kept it because I thought it was so cute. And then in this drawer I have his mittens, his socks and hats, and his bibs or whatnot in the first drawer. Then I have all his newborn clothes in here, and then I have his 0 to 3-month clothes in here, and then I have his 3 to 6-month clothes in here. And then in this drawer I have his swaddles and gowns in this one, and then I have his 6 to 9-month clothes in here, and then his 9 to 12-month clothes. So yeah, basically I just have everything for when he's a year, when he gets to a year. And that's basically everything. We have a little shoe thing. If you're wondering where we keep our shoes, this is where we keep them. And yeah, that's basically everything. This is Joelle's nursery. This is our apartment. We live in a 1-bedroom, so I'm happy that it looks good out there. So we have somewhere to sleep and Joelle can have somewhere to play. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you want to know where I got something, because I know I didn't mention all of what I got. But yeah, if you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.